YouTube lovers, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to this vlog. This is the summer that I turned 20 something. Now, if you're in the global south, you're like, girl, what do you mean summer? It is not summer. And if you know me in real life, you're like, girl, it is not your birthday month. In fact, your birthday was more than 6 months ago. But hear me out. So, this vlog was filmed in summer, which for us in the global south would be between December and February. And my birthday just happens to be on the 19th of January, which is practically the middle of summer. So yes, this vlog is the summer I turned 20 something. This vlog has been sitting in my camera roll for quite some time now, and I've been thinking about when it would be best to post it. I wanted to post it on my half birthday, which I believe was the 19th of June, but I did not make the time to edit the video. So now that the series The Summer I Turned Pretty is trending, and I'm currently obsessed with that show, even though Belly is literally driving all of us crazy, I decided, you know what, why not just post it now? So here we are. The main purpose of this vlog is just to conclude season 1 of Stuck in M 20 something series that I started on my YouTube channel a few months ago. Season 2 is rolling, so stay tuned for that. There are some major transitions happening in my life, and I would love to document all that, including the hair vlogs. I have not forgotten about the hair content. Notice how you see me at the beach, but not actually at the beach. Child, that water is cold. Like freezing cold. Now back to this vlog. I decided to go to the beach on my birthday because I've always loved going to the beach. I don't quite remember going to the beach with my mom because I was very little when she passed away, but I've seen a photo of her and I at the beach in Namibia, and I think that's when I probably fell in love with the beach. Okay, we're going to have cake now because it's my birthday. We're going to have cake now. I don't think I've had a red velvet cake before. Anyways, here are 3 lessons which I've come to learn this year. Number 1, boundaries. Set them. I've been reading the book Boundaries by Dr. Cloud and Dr. Townsend this year, and it was my first introduction to understanding what boundaries really are. I think it's very important to set boundaries with yourself first and then with others. I've also learned that being quiet does not mean that I know how to set boundaries. Lesson 2, remember love. Try to think about the good stuff as much as you think about the bad stuff that happened. Lesson 3, try to make intentional decisions as much as you can. Think deeply. Don't just accept the first offer. Make sure that what you're accepting is what you really want. Make decisions that make sense both logically and emotionally to you. There's always something better